Yeah. Good morning or good afternoon, whatever it is when you're watching this video. Good night, possibly. Hi, I'm Kevin Ingle. This is the Ingle Reviews. Basically, I review movies. So this week, the movie that I am reviewing is called The Open House. Okay, so it's on Netflix. I was looking for a horror movie. They don't make them like they used to. So this was in the horror category. It stars the guy from 13 Reasons. He's the star of the movie. Basically, the open house is where you want to put your house up for sale. And you let people come and look at your house while you still live there. Like in every movie, nobody ever locks the doors when they come in. And they be so surprised that someone's in their house at night. Yeah, you didn't lock the door. But mostly, let me start over. Angel. Hi, I'm Kevin Ingle. This is the Ingle Reviews, where I review a movie that I recently watched, and you guys tell me what you think about it. I'll give my opinions, you tell me what you think about it. So this week I watched The Open House, which is on Netflix, and in the horror category. I was looking for a scary movie. It's been a long time since I've seen a really scary one. So the star of the movie is Dylan, or Dylan, however you pronounce it, from 13 Reasons. Probably why this movie got made. They needed a name. Basically, The Open House is about a family who moves to the mountains, and they let people walk through their house and look at it. Surprise, like all horror movies, they didn't lock the door, and at night they woke up and it's a killer inside. Surprise. Basically, I give this movie a ranking of a 2 out of 10. Yes, a 2 out of 10. I felt like I had wasted my time watching that movie. Plus, well, you should have seen it by now if you haven't. The Dylan character, he's supposed to be a runner in the track team and all that. He couldn't even run away from the killer. Like, really? What was the point in all of that? So, if you watched the movie or have seen it, tell me below in the comments. And subscribe and like this video. Thank you.